Hi there, Melody from WTI. And if you want a little extra comfort on those couch potato days or nights, I have something for you.
This sofa tray table from Shamrock is just what you need, especially if you're short on space in the living room. The two springs that hold it on either side of the couch or the chair arm are very strong, very tight. The bottom of this tray has rubber as well as the arms, so that's going to help with non-slipping and gives it a little bit more sturdiness. Now that fits great on my hubby's chair so that he can really not have any awkwardness as he's watching his favorite TV program. And I love using this as a charcuterie board. It fits right on the couch arm, and then that way I can share it with somebody special. Now check out the before and the after with these. Which one would you choose? I would choose this amazing tray table every single time. So sturdy, no mess, no fuss. And my little guy loves taking it for his little time away. And why not? If you're looking for a table tray, something to make your life a little bit easier when you're trying to chill out, this is what I absolutely love, and I know you will too. And it's perfect because it comes in different sizes and different colors depending on the color you want for your decor.
So being a couch potato isn't a bad thing. That's my point of view.